Number 1.
1992 Chevrolet 2500, price $7,500, well-maintained full-size pickup powered by a reliable 5.7L V8 gasoline engine. It features an automatic transmission and a 2WD drivetrain, making it a solid choice for both daily driving and light-duty work. The truck has traveled approximately 130,000 miles and comes with a clean title, finished in a classic blue exterior with a matching blue interior. This Chevrolet 2500 presents very nicely for its age. The engine was recently gone through and performs strong, while the truck runs and drives great overall. Both the body and frame are in excellent condition, showing no rust, which is becoming increasingly rare for a vehicle of this year. Overall, this 1992 Chevrolet 2500 is a dependable and clean example that has been well cared for and is ready for its next owner.
Number 2.
1994 Chevrolet 1500, price $4,600. This truck has 178,000 miles and is powered by a reliable gasoline 5.7L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. It features a green exterior with a gray interior and comes equipped with a matching camper, making it well suited for camping, hauling, or everyday use. The truck is a 4x4 and includes power windows and power door locks for added convenience, along with a factory towing package for extra capability. The vehicle shows typical rust on the rocker panels, which is common for its age, but the frame has been professionally repaired in several areas and remains very strong, solid, and dependable. It also has a rubberized undercoating for additional protection. The truck offers good heat, rubber floor mats, and has no known mechanical issues. It runs and drives well, has a clean title, and is a solid, ready-to-use pickup.
Number 3.
1996 Ford Ranger, price $9,999, clean and well-kept pickup with a documented one-owner history and just 107,377 original miles. It is equipped with a dependable 3.0L V6 gasoline engine paired with a desirable 5-speed manual transmission, which has recently been fitted with a new clutch for smooth and confident driving. The exterior is finished in green and is complemented by a brown interior, giving the truck a classic and well-preserved appearance. With its low mileage for the year, solid drivetrain, and careful ownership, this Ford Ranger represents a hard-to-find combination that has been properly maintained and is ready for continued use as a reliable daily driver or light-duty work truck.
Number 4.
1986 Chevrolet 2500, price $10,000, classic heavy-duty pickup powered by its factory 7.4L big block V8 gasoline engine, paired with a turbohydramatic 3-speed automatic transmission. The truck features a 4.10-to-1 rear axle ratio, making it well-suited for towing and hauling, and is equipped with dual fuel tanks for extended driving range. Finished in green on the exterior with a tan interior, this truck was originally delivered in the Indian bronze color and features a saddle tan interior. It comes with a range of desirable factory options, including air conditioning, power steering, and tilt steering for added comfort and drivability. Additional features include tinted glass, a sliding rear window, cruise control, a quartz electric clock, and an AM/FM stereo, all contributing to its classic yet functional character.
Number 5.
1966 Ford F100, price $10,000. This original V8 flare-side long bed has a 302 motor equipped with Boss 302 heads and intake, paired with a 4-speed manual transmission on the floor. The dash shows just 48,000 miles, reflecting its preserved condition. It runs and drives around the yard, with a Holley carburetor that recently received a tune-up along with a new battery. However, it has been sitting for a while, so the brakes should be checked before any long-distance driving. The truck does not have power brakes, power steering, or air conditioning, keeping it authentic to its era. The paint has a unique purple/blue hue that shines beautifully in sunlight, although there is some rust damage, particularly on the roof. Despite this, the underside remains mostly solid. Inside, a custom interior job has been completed, adding a modern touch while maintaining the classic feel. The truck comes with a clean New Jersey title.
Number 6. 1978 Ford F150, price $8,000. Well-maintained truck that combines classic style with impressive performance. It is equipped with a modified 351 engine stroked to 400, paired with a 4-speed NP435 transmission, providing solid power and reliability. The truck has a recently replaced starter and a new battery, ensuring dependable starts every time. It sits on 35x12.50 or 15 tires with less than 1,000 miles of use, and its lifted stance gives it an aggressive, commanding presence on the road. Inside, the F150 features an aftermarket radio and speakers, enhancing the driving experience with modern sound. The paint and bodywork are in good condition, especially considering the truck's age, reflecting careful maintenance and attention to detail. Number 7. 1989 GMC 2500, price $9,995, well-maintained truck with 227,000 miles and an automatic transmission. It features a blue exterior and matching blue interior, powered by gasoline. This third-owner vehicle runs and drives great, with the transmission rebuilt 20,000 miles ago and over $1,800 spent on new front-end parts, primarily driven in California and Arizona. It is super clean with only one minor ding. Everything works, including the air conditioning, and detailed maintenance receipts are available. The clear coat is peeling slightly on the hood and top, but the rest of the paint remains in good condition, making it a reliable and well-documented truck. Number 8. 1981 Chevrolet C10, price $8,850, powered by a 305/350 engine equipped with a mild cam and an Edelbrock intake. The engine has been completely resealed and features a new cam, lifters, timing chain, and oil pump, ensuring reliable performance. The truck also has a new carburetor, distributor, radiator, EGR system, brake hoses, shocks, and heater core. While the tires remain in good condition, inside, the interior is well maintained with new carpeting, a fresh headliner, and lower door carpets. While the truck needs a paint job and the AC is non-functional, all components are present. The body is clean, with only a few dings on the hood, and the passenger floor pan has been repaired. The dash cluster has some issues, but the truck runs well. The vehicle comes with current tags, a clean title, and the pink slip is in hand, making it ready for transfer. Number 9. 1993 Chevrolet 1500, price $3,000, featuring a sleek black exterior complemented by a gray interior. This vehicle has traveled 200,000 miles and comes with a smooth-shifting automatic transmission and a reliable gasoline engine. It has recently undergone maintenance, ensuring that both the brakes and tires are in excellent condition. The truck has already passed DEQ inspections and comes with a clean title in hand. Every component works as intended, making it a highly functional and trustworthy vehicle for daily driving, work tasks, or long-distance trips. Its combination of mileage, condition, and recent servicing highlights its strong value and reliability. Number 10. 1970 Ford F250, price $2,600. It features a striking yellow exterior paired with a black interior and is powered by a reliable 302 gasoline engine. Originally equipped with a granny low 4-speed transmission, it has been converted to a 3-on-the-tree manual setup using parts from an F100 donor truck. The truck has manual steering and manual drum brakes, emphasizing a true vintage driving experience. Recent updates include a brand new fuel tank installed 4 years ago, a new carburetor added a few months ago, and a replacement windshield and window gasket to address water leaks. The steering column has a slight up and down play, but a new upper and lower bearing, along with other necessary components, are included.